The UGG Women's Tasman II slippers are an absolute dream for anyone who values comfort, warmth, and timeless style all in one beautifully crafted pair of everyday footwear. From the very first moment you slide your feet inside, you immediately notice the incredibly soft, plush interior that gently cushions and cradles your feet, creating a warm and cozy environment that feels indulgent yet breathable. The lining feels luxurious against the skin, providing steady warmth during colder mornings without causing overheating, which makes these slippers comfortable to wear for hours at a time. The footbed offers dependable support that subtly molds to your foot over time, enhancing comfort and giving you that personalized fit that makes you reach for them day after day. The suede exterior looks refined and polished, adding a touch of sophistication that elevates them beyond ordinary house slippers, while the classic Tasman silhouette keeps the overall design clean, versatile, and effortlessly stylish. They pair just as easily with soft loungewear as they do with casual jeans and a sweater, making them a go-to option whether you're relaxing at home, stepping out onto the patio, or running a quick errand. The sturdy, well-constructed sole provides reliable traction and durability, allowing you to move confidently on different surfaces without worrying about slipping or discomfort. What truly stands out is the balance between lightweight flexibility and solid construction. They feel substantial and high quality without ever feeling bulky or restrictive. Even after extended wear, they maintain their shape, comfort, and supportive feel, reflecting the thoughtful craftsmanship and attention to detail that go into every pair. The fit feels secure but not tight, offering just the right snugness to keep your feet stable while still allowing natural movement. Overall, the Tasman II slippers combine premium materials, cozy interior comfort, practical durability, and understated elegance in a way that makes them not just slippers, but an everyday essential that brings a little extra comfort and warmth into your daily routine.